In today's video, I will walk you through how to create dripping effect in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by creating a new file in Photoshop. Once the document is ready, head over to the Layers panel and create a gradient adjustment layer. After that, turn on the gradient settings and change the style to Radial. Open the gradient editor, go into the basic gradients, and select the gradient shown on screen. Now change the black color into red. You can choose any color you prefer, depending on the look you want for your final design. Next, go to the File menu and choose Place Embedded. Select your main image and place it into the document. Resize and position it if needed so it fits nicely on the canvas. Now move to the toolbar and choose any selection tool. With the tool active, click on Select Subject near the top. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in the image. Once the selection is complete, create a layer mask to remove the background and isolate the subject. After that, go back to the File menu and choose Place Embedded again. This time, select the liquid dripping image and place it into the project. Adjust the image so it lines up properly with the subject. Lowering the fill can help you align both images more accurately while positioning the drip effect. When everything is aligned, go to the toolbar and select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the black area to create a selection. Then right-click and choose Similar so Photoshop selects all matching black areas. Delete those selected areas to remove the unwanted background. Now open the Select menu and choose Inverse. After that, select the layer mask. Grab the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is set to black, and set the brush hardness to 100%. Carefully paint over the areas you want to remove so the dripping effect blends naturally with the subject. Once that is done, create a new layer and right-click on it. Then choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the brush tool again, keep the foreground color black, lower the brush flow to 4%, and this time, reduce the hardness to 0%. Slowly paint over the dripping effect to darken certain areas and create more depth. Finally, create another new layer for the shadow. Use the settings shown on screen, then sample the darkest color from the clothing and paint in a shadow underneath the dripping effect. After that, make the shadow slightly larger to soften the overall look and help it blend more naturally into the composition. And that's it. You now have a completed dripping effect in Photoshop using masking, blending, and shading techniques. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.